Not long ago, ZMI launched a 10,000 mAh power bank. The difference from traditional power bank is the product is long and small and supports 30 watts fast charging. How can you achieve 30 watts fast charging in a small size? Let's unpack and find out the answer. When I got the box, it's not very big, so the power bank wasn't big. The manufacturer information and specification of the product are on the back of the box. The model will be QB818. The rated capacity is 5,600 mAh. The input gears will be 15 volts 1.5 ampere. So the maximum charging power is 22.5 watts. Maximum output 30 watts. Single USB-A port can support 20 watts output. Single USB-C port can support 30 watts output. Dual port can support 15 watts for each device. Open the box, we can see the power bank. Manual and a short cable are inside. The length of this cable is 30 cm. And let's take a look at the power bank, which is really small and feels good. Take out the iPhone 12 mini for comparison. The shell is made of PC with USB-A and USB-C on the top, and also have 4 LED indicators and power button, and the bottom is metal. Here is the specification information, same as the label on the package. Single USB-C supports up to 30 watts output. Then let's test the dimension of the power bank. The length is 98 mm and the width is 50 mm, and the thickness is 26 mm. The weight is 203 grams. It is very convenient to take out and use in daily life. Use PowerZ KT002 to test the USB-A port, which supports Apple 2.4a, QC2, QC3, AFC, FCP protocol. And the USB-C port supports Apple 2.4a, QC2, QC3, AFC, FCP, PD3, PPS protocol. In PPS mode, the maximum output is 33 watts. PDO message also shows the USB-C supports those fixed voltage outputs: 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 15 volts, and supports PPS voltage gears 5 to 11 volts 3 ampere. After reviewing the product, we're gonna tear it down. Start from the top cover. It is fixed with a clip and double-sided tape. Pry it down, and then is the bottom cover. It needs to be heated before disassembling it. Only in this way can we remove the bottom cover. There are 2 screws inside, remove them firstly. Then you can pull out the battery and the PCB module. We can see a layer of graphite thermal conductor is pasted on the back and adopts hollow frame design. You can directly see that there are 2 Samsung 21700 batteries in series. A nickel stripe is in the middle, which is spot welded to the PCB board to collect the battery voltage, and covered with a layer of insulating tape. In the middle of the other side is a thermistor, which is used for battery temperature monitoring. 2 screws also fix the entire plastic frame. Remove all the screws. The PCB is divided into 2 parts. This part of the PCB is fixed inside the frame. Only one USB-A receptacle port can be seen. There are also 2 screws for fixing, so we remove the screws and continue. The other PCB is connected to the nickel tape. A layer of insulating paper is pasted in the 2 batteries' positive electrode to protect. And then we continue to remove the battery and PCB. The battery is fixed with black foam. There are 2 chips on the PCB. A thermal pad is attached to the plastic frame to dissipate heat for the buck boost converter chip. So after taking out all the components, Let's take a look at them one by one. Firstly, the PCB module is designed with double layers. There is a layer of plastic isolation board in the middle for supporting, insulating, and isolation. There is also a thermistor to detect the battery temperature. And then let's remove the thermal pad and the isolation plate. Two PCBs are connected by gold-plated pins. Let's look at this small board. It has a single-chip microcomputer in the middle, used for power inductor, control, and protection. The following is a portable chip customized by ZMI, controlling the fast charging of USB-A. The USB-A receptacle port is reinforced with glue to prevent damage. Here are 4 LED power indicators. Next to it is the power button. A USB-C port portable chip is used on the other side, using JJAD FP6606B for mobile power output voltage control. There are 3 moist tubes next to the port. The pattern on the USB-C receptacle port is from the electric connector technology and is also used on other Xiaomi power bank. Look at another small board. The buck boost converter chip is in the middle, which adopts South chip SC8905. The chip on each is a battery protection chip. Next to it is the battery protection tube, which adopts CSP package. Let's look at the other side of the small board. Here is an inductor, working with South chip buck boost converter to achieve the buck boost output of 2 batteries. Finally is the battery. Both batteries are Samsung INR21700-50E. Single capacity is 5000 mAh. Okay, that's all for our today's teardown of ZMI 10,000 mAh 30 watts power bank, mini version. I want to say it's small and comfortable to hold in hand, and the charging and discharging speed are also quite good. You can leave any comments to talk about your opinion. Don't forget to drop a like if you like this video and subscribe to us. Oh, one more thing, our website is chargerlab.com. See you, peace.